Hi, welcome to the Olympiad geometry. Let's continue our study. Before we start, if you think this video is helpful, please click the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. So here we're going to talk about the problem of the day 22. Triangle ABC is an arbitrary triangle. Do isosceles triangle A'BC, triangle B'CA, triangle C'AB with 30-degree base angle. Prove that triangle A'B'C' is an equilateral triangle. So the problem is like this. We have an arbitrary triangle first. It's arbitrary, so draw it freely. Okay, that's A, B, C. And we want to find the isosceles triangle with 30-degree base. Roughly sits 30-degree base here. Maybe it should be a little larger. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, so 30-degree here, 30-degree here. So let's call this A prime, B prime, and C prime, right? We want to prove that triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so for this problem, the most difficult way, I would say, so generally we don't want to use the algebra method to do the to find the solution for the geometry. But for here, I think this is the best way, the easiest way actually, because you can just calculate it out, right? So let's just pick one side, for example. This is BC equals to A, AC equals to B, and AB equals to C, right? Let's just calculate the length of A prime C prime, okay? The length of A prime C prime. So we can calculate the A prime C prime square. It equals to BC prime square plus BA prime square minus twice BC prime BA prime cosine angle C prime BA prime, right? And for the BC prime square, we can write it as BA, which is C divided by 2, right? That's half of the BA, and divided by square root of 3 and times 2. That's the length of BC, right? So that is BC prime square. For BA prime square, which is A divided by 2 divided by square root 3 and times 2, right? That's a BA prime square. And we have one term left, that's cosine angle C prime BA prime, right? It equals to cosine 60-degree plus angle ABC, right? So it equals to cosine 60-degree cosine angle ABC minus sine 60-degree sine angle ABC, right? Which equals to half of cosine angle ABC minus square 3 divided by 2 sine angle ABC, right? And cosine angle ABC, let me write down here. It can be written as cosine angle ABC. It can be written as a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac, right? That's a cosine law. And sine angle ABC can be rewritten as twice of the area of triangle ABC divided by AC. Okay, let's put all of these back to the equation we have here. Then we have a prime c prime squared equals to this one, which is c squared divided by 3 plus this square, that's a squared divided by 3, and minus twice of bc prime times ba prime, okay, which is twice of ac divided by 3, right, and times cosine angle c prime ba prime, which is this one. So we can rewrite it as half of cosine angle ABC, which is a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac, and minus square 3 divided by 2 times the sine angle ABC, which is twice of triangle ABC area divided by AC, right? This one equals to, see, for here we have 2AC and 2AC cancel each other, so we have 1/6 left, right? And here we have 1/3 minus 1/6, so that's 1/6, and we have 1/6 left for b squared, and it's plus sign, so we got 1/6 a squared plus b squared plus c squared. That's for the first term, right? And for the second term, we have 2ac. Here we have 2, cancel this 2, right? So 2ac cancel this ac out. We still have this 2 left, and over by square 3, right? Yeah, that's correct. So that's 2 square 3 divided by 3 times the area of triangle ABC, and the sign would be plus. Okay, that means the a prime c prime is a constant, right? Because ABC is fixed once we have a certain triangle ABC, and the area of triangle ABC is fixed. That means a prime c prime is this number, and we already know that we can just change a to b, b to c, c to a, and we get the same equation for, let me see, for a to b, b to c, yeah, for the a b, and for the a prime b prime and c prime b prime, right, equals to a prime b prime square equals to c prime b prime square, which means a prime c prime equals to a prime b prime equals to c prime b prime. That means the triangle a prime b prime c prime is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so this problem I didn't figure out very like pure geometry method, as I feel this is the easiest way to solve it. That's just calculate the length of the triangle. So if audience has a better solution, or has a, like, let's say, a pure plane geometry solution, welcome to send it to me, and if you agree, I can make a video for it. Okay, that's today's problem. Hope you like this video. See you in next one. Thank you.